Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today I'm excited to go through the fall FabFitFun box with you all. If you are not familiar with FabFitFun, it is a quarterly beauty lifestyle box that you can get for $69.99 per season, or if you want to have it billed annually, it will be $54.99. You will get 6 products and you'll have 6 categories that you can choose your products from. You can always add additional items from each category once you pick your primary choice if you want to. I did do that. And if you are seasonal, one of the advantages is you do get early shipping. So I'm seasonal. It is August 28th, I think. It is the end of August and I already have my fall box. So also an advantage with the annual membership is you get to choose your customizations a little bit earlier. I'm excited to show you what I picked out. In addition to the extra item I got from one of the categories, I did pick 2 add-on items. Add-ons are things that once you finalize your customizations for your box, there's a shopping list that you can go through and you can pick out different things that will also ship with your box at a good discount. And I picked 2 things from that. So let's check out and see what's in this box. These are big boxes. They are good sized boxes. This one on the front says fall in love with nice sweet things. So that's really cool. And I'm going to find the open side. Here we go. So inside the box we have some fall decorations. It looks like some advertisements for Ricola. And our items are going to be packed under paper. So I'm going to get it open and we'll go through the different items and show you what's in here. I was looking for my category 1 item, looking for a small thing, and it's a giant box. It is an Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I fully did not expect this to be a giant container. This is a $69 value. So already with this one item, the box is overpaid for. So I paid $54.99 for this box, and this particular single item is $69. So that's really great. So this is, okay, this is kind of a kit. This is cool. Hold on. Let's see. Okay, so we have our really good sized tub of the Pro Collagen Naked Cleansing Balm, and it comes with a cleansing cloth as well. So that's super cool. So we get a cleansing cloth, we get our cleansing balm, and Elemis, and this is a $69 value for this set. So I love Elemis. I've been using the Pro Marine Collagen Night Cream, I think it is, or Miracle, whatever the cream is, the Pro Collagen Marine Cream, I think is what it is. I use that and I do really like it. So picking out another Elemis product was kind of a no-brainer. All right, let me get this boxed up and we'll get the second item out. My category 2 pick was these very cute house shoes. These are Mucklucks. These are a $49 value for these shoes. I got the biggest size, which should be a 9-10 US size. I generally wear a 10. I can wear a 9. So I'm hoping these fit me. I'm going to open them up and show you what they look like. Okay, I'm just going to pull one out. These are platform house shoes, and these are super soft. Very soft. I'm not going to try them on now, but they look nice and roomy. Hopefully they will fit. And again, Mucklucks, really nice. $49 house shoes. Very lightweight. They're light, even though they're platform and a foamy bottom, it's very, very lightweight. So I like those. Very good pick. I like me some house shoes. I have actually way too many pairs of house shoes and I don't wear them very often. I just like to get them. So here's another pair to add to my collection. Our category 3 item is a Fenty Skin, and this is a Cherry Dub. It says from blah to bright, and it's a HA mask. This is going to be a brightening face mask, and I've never tried a Fenty Skin product, so this is really cool. And it is kind of an orangey cream, and this will be a face mask. I'll look at the instructions on how often to use it. It says just apply to clean dry skin and leave it on for 10 minutes and use it 3 to 5 times a week. So 2.5 ounce container for the Fenty Skin brightening mask. Very cool. Now this was the category I did an additional pick from the category. This is the Aloha umbrella. And this was an additional $14 in this category, so not bad at all. And this feels like a really good umbrella, just from the weight of it. It doesn't feel flimsy. So this is the Aloha. You can see it's got a flower print. It's got bubble wrap around the handle, and it is a button open, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. It is a button open umbrella. Oops. It's a really cute umbrella, and it does have a button open, and it's not a very long handle, which is great for a small umbrella. It gives you some coverage without having to deal with a really long extension for the umbrella. And it does have the little bag, so good little purse size or car umbrella. Again, $14 additional for that. And this umbrella, if it was purchased retail, would be $46. So I got a $46 umbrella for an extra $14. If you like this video as we're going through it, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to my channel. I'm working on growing it and getting you guys more content that you enjoy. I've got some fun stuff planned for the rest of this year, and I'd hate for you to miss it. So hit that subscribe button and hit that notifications bell. And if you like the video, hit that thumbs up for me. My category 4 pick. This is my category 4 pick, and I do not know how to pronounce that. I'm going to say Szechuan, and this is a heat protectant hair cream, and this is a 5.1 fluid ounce, and this is a $39 value. So this was my category 4 pick. So you guys can see the value in this box. It's a great one for getting a lot of variety. I love now that you can customize it for any of the categories. When I subscribed, it was only for, I think, 3 or 4 of the categories if you were just a seasonal member. The reason I went to annual is because some of the products that I got, I was not going to be able to use. I didn't like them. It wasn't something that I would have picked, and I just didn't want to. I felt like I was wasting my money if I got something in the box that I couldn't use myself. So I went ahead and chose the annual option, and from that I was able to pick all 6 of my products. Now everyone gets to do that, so it's a great advantage. If you don't want to do the annual and you want to do it just season to season, you still get to pick every single one of your products. So that's great. And again, $69.99 for even seasonally. Like I said, one of the items in this box was that price. So you're definitely getting your money's worth with the FabFitFun box. My category 5 pick is from One Kind, and this is a Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizing Cream, and the other part's not in English. So this is a Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. This says that you put it on at night, and this says this intensely soothes, hydrates, and enhances skin tone for glowing skin in the morning. Plus, it feels like a dream. So this is a 1.7 ounce night cream, and this would have been a $40 value retail. So very cool product from One Kind. My last box pick, and I do still have my add-ons to the box, but my last box pick is a Dr. Brandt lash serum, and this is I think this is one of the kinds of lash serums that you put on the base of your lashes to help your lashes grow. And this just says it is lash and brow serum. So this one, I must have picked it because of the brow part. It will help your brows grow in a little bit better. So a Dr. Brandt Labs eyebrow. It's lash and brow, but I'm going to use this for my eyebrows. And it looks like you just paint it on like a lash serum. So really cool for that one. And this is a $58 value. So $58 Dr. Brandt product for our category 6 pick. And now I've got my add-ons that I'm going to show you. My add-ons I chose from they were $14 each. My first one is an Olaplex number 4, and this is the Bond Maintenance Clarifying Shampoo. So this is one I would use every so often just to get the product out of my hair, maybe a once a week or once every other week kind of clarifying shampoo. I generally use a moisturizing strengthening shampoo on my daily, but this is a good one to use just to get everything out of your hair and start fresh. My second pick was a Living Proof Flex Hairspray. You guys know I love Living Proof, but I don't like a heavyweight hairspray, one that makes my hair sticky. So this is actually also a heat protectant hairspray. So a Living Proof hairspray. I forgot to actually make note of the retail values of both of these. I will get that posted here in the corner. But both of these I paid $14 for, and I know this has got to be at least double that, if not more. So, and so is the Olaplex. So great products in the FabFitFun box. I really enjoyed it. There were some really good categories. I could have picked jewelry. There were some household products. You can really get so much variety in your FabFitFun box. The fact that you can customize it to your specific preferences makes it just ideal for anyone, and you can get a lot of good products with a great value for your FabFitFun membership. Right now they also have a new membership $200 bundle that you can get when you get a new membership. I will leave the link below for the FabFitFun if you want to sign up. If you did enjoy this video and would like to see more content like this, I would love for you to hit subscribe, hit that like button, hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future videos. For today, I want to thank you so much for joining me going through this box, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.